Hello, and welcome to the unboxing of a new compact lifting station from the Minilift family by KESSEL. The Minilift family includes 6 units, and here we have the Minilift L WC Duo, the largest sewage lifting station in the Minilift family. And that's not all. We have something truly special here. We have a lifting station that comes with 2 pumps in the field of small lifting stations. This is an innovation. I don't know of any other unit with a double pump. Greater operational reliability, protection against failure. Wherever we absolutely need reliable drainage, the second pump is a real asset. It steps in when pump number 1 stops working, and this has never existed before in the field of small lifting stations. Minilift L WC Duo, what is it good for? KESSEL provides a diagram on the units on the box, but you can also find it online. To help you quickly choose the right unit, it explains here what the Minilift L WC Duo is for. You can connect a shower to it or a hand basin. We have the toilet here, the WC. We have an alarm notification and a practical Wi-Fi function, plus the option to connect a potential free contact. These are professional features that have hardly existed in the field of small lifting stations until now. So especially safe thanks to the second pump, Minilift L WC Duo. More information can be found on the other side of the packaging. What is especially valuable and important is the QR code. It leads directly to kessel.de to the relevant product page, where you can find all the information about the unit. You'll find everything we have there, the detailed installation and operating instructions, spare parts and services. Whatever information you need regarding this unit for your documentation, you'll find it via this link, which is also located on the tank. Here we find further information about the possible inlets, DN40, DN50. Very low, so it's well suited for a shallow shower tray from the left and from the right. You can choose to use them, but you don't have to. There are blanking plugs included as accessories, which I'll show you in a moment, that make it possible to seal off these inlet connections as well. The toilet connection can be made either from the front or from the side, so either laterally or from the front. Connect the 100 mm toilet spigot, pressure outlet DN40. There's also another 40 mm inlet possible from above for the hand basin, to connect it to the unit in the shortest possible way. I'll tell you in a moment what the 2 750 watt pumps are capable of in terms of delivery rate. We'll learn about that from this diagram. And this high-tech compact lifting station is also excellently suited for installation in front wall systems, because it remains very compact despite all the features it offers. But please make sure to provide large inspection openings so that we can access the unit for regular maintenance. And with an alarm system and even a Wi-Fi function, I'll say more about that in a moment. This is especially interesting, particularly when the unit is hidden in the front wall system and not immediately visible. It draws attention to itself via the alarm. You can even start it remotely using your smartphone. These are very important features, especially when the unit disappears into the front wall system. Lifting stations require both supply and exhaust ventilation. I'll show you the activated carbon filter in a moment. The exhaust and ventilation are integrated here, and the front wall system should also be able to breathe. Remember to add a small protective ventilation grill in a hidden spot in the front wall system. So that's already a lot of information we've received from the outside, but things only get really interesting when we take a look inside here. Let's open the box. At first glance, it's clear that there's a lot of connection accessories included here. I'll say it right away. Everything you need for connecting the inlets and pressure lines is included. There's nothing here that you need to order separately as accessories. This is the all-in-one solution. That means you take the box with you to the customer and have everything you need for the installation. The WC inlet connection and a bit of technical documentation. The detailed operating manual is available for download via the QR code. We have a small booklet here with safety information. It also describes what, according to standards, may be connected to a lifting station for wastewater containing fecal matter in the same room. So if you're looking for information, you'll also find a few notes here in addition to the safety information. Please make sure to unplug it before working on the unit. This is very important, and we have a simple, quick installation and connection process. The instructions explain in just a few steps how to connect the inlets and the pressure pipes. But there is also a separate video that describes the installation and connection in detail. Or if you want to perform maintenance, we also explain that in a video. Let's keep unpacking. And here, even though it's a compact lifting station, I already have to use a bit of strength because 2 pumps, duo, something special, also mean more weight compared to the usual small lifting stations. I'll turn it to the front for you to show that it's a clean, attractive sight. From the front, here the cover extends a bit beyond the frame to show as little of the technical components as possible. So a nice unit that comes with a lid, which can route the pressure pipe upwards or also add a side inlet at that spot if we need it. I pull the latch forward, which lets the lid open. We can see the cutout for the DN40 pressure pipe, which leads upwards. Here we see a predetermined breaking point for an additional inlet from above. And if we need it, we break out the spot here and remove the inlet plug. It sits tightly in a rubber lip, so no odors escape if we don't need it. Connection option from above. I briefly mentioned the BN vent earlier, the activated carbon filter. But first I'll move this cardboard aside. The activated carbon filter is located right here. So this is where the system gets its air. Overpressure and underpressure are balanced out. We have a small activated carbon filter insert that should be replaced once a year. It's quick and easy to access. So no separate supply and exhaust air line is needed. Instead, these systems come standard with supply and exhaust ventilation via this small activated carbon filter. And here we now see what really makes this system exceptional. 2 pumps. It is still a dry installed lifting station. That means up here the unit is sealed. Even now, with the lid off, I still don't come into contact with the contents of the lifting station, so I can work cleanly on the components. Only when I remove the pump does that change. And here too, this can be done quickly and easily without tools. I lift it up, turn it to the side. And one more thing to add. 2 pumps means if one pump fails, the second one will handle it alone. In normal operation, they alternate, so we can also expect a longer service life and less wear. And they also work together when needed. If we reach a maximum level in the system, a boost function allows both pumps to operate simultaneously, providing a slightly higher delivery rate. And this has never been available in small lifting stations before. For the operator, this means maximum safety. You simply can't get more security than this. For those doing the maintenance, feel free to watch the video on the topic of maintenance. Quick and easy removal. We call this tool-free maintenance. The features that are also unique here include the alarm function. That's something others can do as well. But what I haven't seen before in small lifting stations is the Wi-Fi function. Using a smartphone, I can connect to the system via Wi-Fi, tell the system that the pump should run, view the system data, the logbook, see when the pump was running, whether there were any malfunctions, whether there was an alarm, that is, a high level in the tank. I can communicate with the system even if, for example, it's installed behind a wall and not so easy to access. I still know what's going on. With a very modern Wi-Fi function, I can communicate with the system using my smartphone. It also has an alarm, which is already built in, and all of this comes ready to plug in. Just plug it into the socket. The system starts up, and if a defined maximum level is reached, it will detect it and trigger an alarm. We know that something isn't right. In addition to the alarm, we can even connect it to the building maintenance or building services via a potential free contact. Minilift L WC Duo also offers this feature. And this is the highest level of safety you can get in the field of small lifting stations. I've already talked about this wide range of connection accessories. Here you can see the pipe connections. For the side lower connection D, N, 40 or 50, all of them are included along with the mounting materials. We also find mounting materials for the tank itself. It is secured to the floor on the left and right sides. Lifting stations must be installed to prevent buoyancy. Please remember to use a sound insulating underlay mat to ensure the quietest possible operation. By the way, that's something we also implement with these systems, including the pump wherever possible. We also have a few rubberized pads here so we can achieve whisper quiet operation. The goal is to have as little noise as possible coming from this system. Everything we need as accessories for the connection, the inlet connection. And as we've already mentioned, the toilet connection can be from the front or from the side. The corresponding accessories are used, and the unused side is simply sealed with a large, tight-fitting cover. Again, everything you need for the connection is included. I don't need to get anything else, and I am very flexible when it comes to the connections. That's why, especially because the toilet connection can also be made from the side, it's well suited for pre-wall installation. A lot of information about a great system that comes with plenty of features. Now let's take a quick look at the technical data together. I've already talked about the cable, 230 volts, ready to plug in. The cable is 1.40 meters long. Non-return valves are integrated. Again, you don't need to buy anything else. The Minilift L WC Duo has a length of 605 millimeters. It is only 170 millimeters wide and just as flat as all the other lifting stations in the Minilift family. That's why it's great for pre-wall installation. It has a height of 285 millimeters. The pressure outlet is DN32 with an outer diameter of 40 millimeters. It has not one, it actually has two, and that's what's special here. Pumps, each with 750 watts, equipped with a robust V2A cutting mechanism for wastewater containing fecal matter. It can pump up to 9 meters high and at peak has a delivery capacity of 9.8 cubic meters. Level detection is via pressure switch and low-level suction is possible. As we've already described, there are warning devices with an audible alarm and this Wi-Fi function, which makes the system easy to control remotely and allows us to read the system data via smartphone. So there are many features that ensure safety. And now, a tip for all tradespeople. If you register this system with KESSEL, you'll get a 5-year warranty, not just on the tank, but on all components. So that means the pump, the control unit is included in this 5-year warranty extension. The only thing you have to do is register the system with KESSEL. And with that, we're already finished. You can find all further information again at kessel.de. For the Minilift family, for this system, you'll find all the necessary information there. And I want to say thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again.